Hi there. Today I've got a tune-up report on the Uniden PC-68 Elite. This is for Thomas in Minnesota. Thomas, in the swap meter we have 10 watts across the top. Coming in with, just shy of 5, 4.5, 4.7 maybe. And on the peak reading meter we have a 50 watts, so I'll be reading right in here, close to the 30 watt mark.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break, 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 break. Audio check, check.
Breaker 19 for radio check.
Radio's working.
I appreciate it, driver. Have a good one.